Imagine David. He is standing on the sidelines of a freezing soccer field in Pensacola on a Sunday morning. He is wearing a proud elite travel dad jacket, holding a $6 coffee, and trying to ignore the knot in his stomach. That knot is a quiet panic over the $3,000 hotel and tournament fee he just put on a credit card, carrying a 22% interest rate. He tells himself he is doing the right thing. He looks out at his 9-year-old son on the field and rationalizes the expense, fully convinced that he is making a shrewd, early investment in a future college scholarship. But here is the reality. Parents like David believe they are securing a lucrative future for their kids. What they are actually doing is sacrificing their family's real financial stability for a 1-in-a-million shot. This is a line chart tracking household spending categorized as youth athletics. Over the last 5 years, family spending on these activities has exploded by the staggering 46%. It happens through a stealthy escalation pipeline. It starts innocently with a $50 sign-up for a local rec league. Within a few years, families are pulled into elite travel tiers, where playing AAA hockey or club soccer easily drains $15,000 a year per child. Middle-class families are going to extreme lengths to cover these private trainers, buying matching team gear and endless weekend hotel stays. You literally have parents logging into their brokerage accounts and pausing their 401k contributions and Roth IRAs just to free up cash. They do this because they have adopted a very specific mindset. Parents have started treating these travel sports invoices as if they were direct deposits into a 529 college savings plan. This mindset is a brilliant, highly lucrative illusion. It is a narrative actively marketed by a booming industry designed specifically to extract middle-class wealth. To see exactly how this wealth extraction works, we need to run a strict investment audit on the travel sports scholarship fantasy. We have to look at the actual numbers. Take a look at this grid representing all high school athletes. Only 2% ever receive any athletic scholarship. This pie chart shows the vast majority of that 2% receive only partial scholarships. Families spend $100,000 chasing a $10,000 discount. We have to ground this in reality. Connor is 9 years old. He has a good slap shot. No signing bonus exists. Chasing an athletic scholarship is mathematically devastating. It functions exactly like buying a lottery ticket, not executing a financial plan. The money leaving your bank account today is only half the problem. Every single tournament fee and weekend hotel stay carries an invisible second price tag: opportunity cost. This chart shows $5,000 spent annually on travel sports from age 8 to 18 burns $50,000 out of pocket. But investing that same cash in an index fund at 8, you look around, see the other parents hiring private trainers and buying elite gear, and then you end up looking at your own kid. Your brain automatically interprets doing anything less as failing them. The youth sports industry knows exactly how this works. They actively weaponize your unconditional love for your children to manufacture a sense of absolute necessity around their programs. You ultimately end up financing an illusion. The travel sports industry is a finely tuned wealth extraction machine, enriching tournament organizers and hotel chains at the direct expense of your family's future. The people who actually build generational wealth understand that the first step is intentionally stepping off that comparison treadmill. You have to learn to completely ignore the social pressure. You have permission to look a little boring to your neighbors. Let your kids enjoy sports in the local rec leagues without turning their childhood into a professional career at age 10. Take the thousands of dollars you save by avoiding the travel circuit and funnel it directly into an actual wealth-building 529 plan or an index fund. Think about the long-term emotional impact of these two choices. By the time they turn 18, they will thank you a lot more for graduating debt-free than they will for an out-of-state tournament trophy gathering dust in the garage. True financial security comes from compounding assets, not chasing a sports illusion. Giving your child the ability to start their adult life completely debt-free is the ultimate elite outcome.